Hello friends, in my previous video, I had explained question number 1. Now in this video, I will explain all the question from the exercise 1.1. Now let us start. Differentiate the following with respect to x. Okay. Let y is equals to cos of x square plus a square. Differentiate with respect to x we get. Therefore dy by dx is equals to d dx of cos of x square plus a square. Now the first of all, derivative of cos function, which is the minus sine of x square plus a square into ddx of x square plus a square. It is a composite, and hence ddx of x square plus a square. Derivative of a square is a constant, is a 0, and the derivative of x square is a 2x, and hence dy by dx is equals to minus 2x into sine of x square plus a square, and this is the answer. Okay. Now the next question. Y is equals to in root of e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5. Now differentiating with respect to x, we get that is a ddx of e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5 raised to 1 upon 2. Its a derivative is a 1 upon 2 in bracket e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5 raised to minus 1 upon 2 into ddx of e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5. Okay. And hence its a derivative is a derivative of e raised to 3x plus 2 is a e raised to 3x plus 2 into ddx of 3x plus 2, and the derivative of 5 is 0. Derivative of 3x is 3 because the derivative of x is 1, derivative of 2 is a constant. Okay, its a derivative is again 0. And hence if we simplify this, we simplify करना 3 into 1 is a 3, 3 into e raised to 3x plus 2. Okay, that is a 3 into e raised to 3x plus 2 upon 2 in root of e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5. आता इथे काय, तर इथे कोणा प्रकारचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आपण करणार आहे, दॅट इज डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ रूट ऑफ एक्स. वी नो दी डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ root x is 1 upon 2 times root x first of all. Okay, into ddx of the under root quantity, which is the e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5 in this. Okay. Now the next question. This is the answer. Okay, you can see this here. The derivative of y is equals to in root of e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5 is a, see this here, 1 upon 2 times in root of e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5 into ddx of this quantity. The derivative of e raised to 3x plus 2, it's written here, and it is a e raised to 3x plus 2 into 3. Okay. Now the next, y is equals to log of tan of x by 2. Now what about the derivative of tan of x? Tan x. What is the derivative of log of x? It's a 1 upon x. Similarly here, the dy by dx, that is the ddx of log of tan of x by 2 means what? 1 upon tan of x by 2 into ddx of tan of x by 2. Now what is the derivative of tan of x by 2? It's a sec square x by 2. Again it is a composite. We want to find out the derivative of x by 2, which is the 1 upon 2. Okay. First बघा, पहिल्यांदा फंक्शन कोणता आहे, तर लॉग घेणार. लॉग म्हणजे काय, 1 upon tan of x by 2. ओके, नंतर टॅनचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह, इट्स अ सेक्स स्क्वेअर x by 2. नंतर इथे नुसता x आहे का, x नाहीये, इथे x by 2 आहे. Therefore we want to find out the derivative of x by 2. यामध्ये x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह किती येणार, तर 1 येणार. Hence you will get 1 upon 2 into sec square x by 2 into 1 upon tan of x by 2. आता हे फक्त सिम्प्लिफिकेशन करणार. How to simplify this? Okay, now see this here, 1 upon tan of x by 2 means what? It is a cot of, I can write here, cot of x by 2. Okay. Next, sec square x by 2 can be written as 1 upon, here is a cos square in bracket x by 2. Okay. And ddx of x by 2, derivative of x is a 1, and hence it is a 1 upon 2. Now see this here, cot of x by 2. Cot of x by 2 means what? Cos of x by 2 upon sin of x by 2. 1 upon cos square x by 2 into 1 upon 2. Now this 1 cos will get cancelled. You will get here 2 times sin of x by 2 into cos of x by 2. Now what about the 2 times? Okay, 2 sin theta into cos of theta, and that is equals to sine of 2 times theta, and hence 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 is sin x, and hence dy by dx is equals to 1 upon sin x, and it's a reciprocal is a cos x. Okay, इथे काय काय ट्रिग्नोमेट्री वापरले. First is derivative of log function, which is the 1 upon tan of x by 2. Next, derivative of tan of x by 2. Then derivative of x by 2, and in this way. हे सगळं झाल्यानंतर हे पुन्हा simplification. 1 upon tan means what? Cot. And cot means what? Cos of x by 2 upon sin of x by 2. Sec square x by 2 means what? 1 upon cos of x by 2. And derivative of x by 2 is a 1 upon 2. This 1 cos will get cancelled. Then you will get 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. And that's nothing but the sin x. Okay. Now the next question. Y is equals to in root of tan of root x. आता पुन्हा पहिल्यांदा या रूटचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. What is the derivative of root of x? Is similarly 1 upon 2 times root x. Similarly here 1 upon 2 times in root of tan of root x. Then the derivative of this root quantity, which is the tan of root x. That is the ddx of tan of root x. त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह फाइंड आउट करणार. आता पुन्हा यामध्ये काय की आधी टॅनचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह, which is the sec square root x. Again इथे x आहे का, तर x नाहीये, other than x आहे. Therefore we will write here ddx of root x. And what about the ddx of root x is 1 upon 2 times root x. बस एवढं झालं ही simplification. Now here 1 into sec square root x into 1, then you will get sec square root x. Next 2 into 2, 4, here is a 4 into root x, and in root of tan of root x, and this is the answer. And hence dy by dx is equals to sec square root x upon 4 root x into in root of tan of root x. Okay, पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकताय. मेन काय की इथे कुठला टाइप वापरलाय, डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ दी रूट x, which is the 1 upon 2 times root x. Then find out the derivative of tan of root x, which is a sec square root x. Then again the derivative of root x, which is the 1 upon 2 times root x again. Okay, इथेच बघा root x, it's a derivative of 1 upon 2 times root x. Again the derivative of root of tan of root x is again 1 upon 2 times in root of tan of root x. Okay, या प्रकारे simplification आहे. Okay, now the next question. Cot cube, okay, cot cube log of x cube. आता इथे काय तर पॉवर फंक्शन आहे. या पॉवर फंक्शनचा आपण सर्वप्रथम डेरिव्हेटिव्ह फाइंड आउट करणार. y is equals to cot cube log of x cube. First, differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equals to ddx of cot cube log of x cube can be written as ddx of cot of log of x cube and whole cube. म्हणजे काय, इथे 3 पॉवर आली बघा, या पॉवरचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढणार. मीन्स व्हॉट, 3 cot of log of x cube 3 minus 1, that is 2, into ddx of त्या ब्रॅकेट मध्ये असणारा फंक्शन, which is the cot of log of x cube. आता यानंतर मेन फंक्शन काय येणार, तर cot. What's the derivative of cot x? Minus cos x square x. Similarly here, the derivative of cot of log of x cube is a minus cos x square log of x cube. Again, into the derivative of log of x cube. आता नंतर मग ddx of log of x cube. But what is the derivative of log of x? Is 1 upon x. Similarly here, the ddx of log of x cube is, what is that? Or you can take these 3 here by using the rules of logarithm. That is, see this here, log of m raised to n can be written as n times log of m. Okay, and you can take these 3 into ddx of log of x. Next, what is the derivative of log of x? That is 1 upon x. And in this way, we have the total derivative of cot of log of x raised to 3 and whole bracket raised to 3. मग सर्वप्रथम काय, इथे पॉवरचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढणार. Then the derivative of cot, then derivative of log of x cube. Log of x cube can be written as 3 into ddx of log of x. Okay, and lastly the simplification. That is this 3 into 3, you will get 9. Okay, cosec square log of x cube into cot square log of x cube, and this divided by x. Okay, and hence dy by dx is equals to minus 9 cosec square log of x cube into cot square log of x cube upon x, and in this way we have cleared it. Okay, now the next पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकताय. Okay, now the next y is equals to 5 raised to sin cube x plus 3. आता मेन फंक्शन काय येते तर a raised to x. What is the derivative of a raised to x? A raised to x into log a. Similar here, differentiating with respect to x, then you will get dy by dx is equals to ddx of 5 raised to sin cube x plus 3. Then it's a derivative. Means what? A raised to x a derivative. A raised to x into log of 5. Similarly here, 5 raised to sin cube x plus 3 into log of 5. परंतु इथे नुसता x आहे का? तर x नाही. It's other than x. Therefore, we want to find out the ddx of sin cube x plus 3. Now, what is the derivative of? Again, पुन्हा याचा derivative find out करणार. The derivative of sin cube x means what? पुन्हा इथे power आली. Powerचा derivative first of all find out करणार. That is a 3 sin square x into, again, त्या power मध्ये कोण आहे तर sin x आहे. And into ddx of sin x. And its a derivative is a cos x. Okay. The derivative of sin x is a cos x. Again, see this here. What type of the main function is a raised to x? The derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x into log of a. Similarly here, the derivative of 5 raised to sin cube x plus 3 is a 5 raised to sin cube x plus 3 into log of 5 into ddx of sin cube x plus 3. Sin cube, its a derivative is a, again the power चा derivative नुसार करणार 3 sin square x into ddx of, again sin x, derivative of 3 is 0, and hence we have the answer. That is a 5 raised to sin cube x plus 3 into log of 5 into 3 sin square x into cos x. And then we will write here, first of all, 3 sin square x into cos x into 5 raised to sin cube x plus 3 into log of 5, and in this way find out completed this derivative. Okay, पुन्हा बघू शकताय तुम्ही. मेन फंक्शन सुरुवातीला समजलं पाहिजे आणि पुढे त्या त्या स्टेप्सने आपल्याला ते कंपोजिट डेरिव्हेटिव्हज फाइंड आउट करायचे असतात. ओके, नाउ दी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. y is equals to cosec in root of cos x. आता मेन फंक्शन काय तर cosec आहे. Now what is the derivative of cosec x? The derivative of cosec x is minus cosec x into cot x. Okay, पण नुसतं इथे cosec x आहे तर cos x नाहीये. We want to find out the derivative of root of cos x. Root of cos x. Okay, now first see this. Differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equals to ddx of cosec root of cos x. Now the derivative of cosec is minus cosec root of cos x into cot of root of cos x into ddx of cos of root x. Now this is the derivative of, it's like this, which is the derivative of root x. Again it is a 1 upon 2 times root of cos x into ddx of this root quantity. What is that? Cos x, and its a derivative is a minus sign. Okay, पुन्हा इथे बघा मेन फंक्शन cosec, its a derivative is a minus cosec in root of cos x into cot of in root of cos x into, again it is not only the x, it is other than x. म्हणजे काय की ते root of cos x आहे. Therefore its a derivative is a 1 upon 2 times root of cos x into ddx of cos x, which is the minus sign. आता हा derivative of root of cos x हा कोणासारखा आहे? root x सारखा. What is the derivative of root x? Is 1 upon 2 times root x. Similarly here 1 upon 2 times root of cos x. पण नुसता इथे x आहे का? नाही, it's a cos x. Therefore we will find out the derivative of this cos x, and in this way we will complete here the it's a derivative. Next, normal simplification है. काय काय numerator लेणार? This is the minus sign and minus, that overall it will become plus. First we will write this sin x. Next, cosec in root of cos x into cot in root of cos x upon 2 root of cos x, and this is the answer. Okay, पुन्हा बघू शकताय तुम्ही. Okay, now the next question. Y is equals to log of cos of in bracket x cube minus 5. तर प्रत्येक प्रश्नामध्ये in every question you must know the first function. Which is the first function? Log. And what is the derivative of log of x? Is 1 upon x. Similarly, the derivative of log of cos of x cube minus 5, its the first derivative is 1 upon cos of x cube minus 5. पण नुसतं इथे x आहे का नाही? It's other than x. Other than काय? The cos of x cube minus 5. Then find out the ddx of cos of x cube minus 5. मग इथे मेन फंक्शन काय? तर cos आहे. And what's the derivative of cos? Is a minus sign x cube minus 5. पुन्हा नुसतं इथे x आहे का? There is not x. Again there is one more function which is the x cube minus 5. Then into ddx of x cube minus 5. And what is the derivative of x cube? Is a 3x square, and derivative of 5, which is a constant. Its a derivative is a 0. And in this way, we have first is 1 upon cos of x cube minus 5. ddx of cos of x cube minus 5 is a minus sign of x cube minus 5. Derivative of x cube is a 3x square. Derivative of 5 is 0. आणि पुढे काय तर नॉर्मल सिम्प्लिफिकेशन आहे. Here is minus sign which is the minus 3x square हा पुढे घेणार into tan of x cube minus 5, and this is the end. Okay, this is the final answer. Okay, पुन्हा तुम्ही ते बघू शकताय. Main function cos, then main function log, then cos. Okay, and then find out the derivative of x cube minus 5. These are the steps. First is log, then cos, then x cube. Next, e raised to 3 sin square x minus 2 cos square x. Okay, no problem. Now here main function is a e raised to x. Now what is the derivative of e raised to x? The derivative of e raised to x is a e raised to x. Similarly here, differentiating with respect to x, you will get ddx of e raised to 3 sin square x minus 2 cos square x. It's a derivative as it is. That is a e raised to 3 sin square x minus 2 cos square x. पण इथे नुसता x आहे का? नाही. There is a other than x. Which are the that terms? 3 sin square x minus 2 cos square x. Hence we will write ddx of 3 sin square x minus 2 cos square x. Now we will find out the derivative of sin square x. 3 is a multiplicative constant. ddx of sin square x minus 2 is a multiplicative constant. ddx of cos of x bracket square. Again, आता इथे बघा पुन्हा power आली. आधी first we will find out the derivative of this power, which is the 2 minus 1. Therefore, the power of sin x is 1. Again, the derivative of ddx of sin x, which is the cos x. Next, ddx of cos of x bracket square means what? Again, here is a 2. He power पुन्हा 1 ने करना reduce करना. Therefore, it will become only cos x. And into derivative of this cos x is a minus sin x. And hence, the simplification, that is e raised to 3 sin square x minus 2 cos square x into 3 into 2, you will get 6 sin x into cos x. Again, next 2 into 2, you will get 4. Derivative of cos x is a minus sign, and this minus and minus that will become plus. Ha 6 sin x cos x hai, ha 4 sin x into cos x, and that will become 10 sin x into cos x. And hence here e raised to 3 sin square x minus 2 cos square x into 10 sin x into cos x. Now again this 10 sin x into cos x can be written as, तो कसा लिहिणार 5 into 2 sin x into cos x, e raised to 3 sin square x minus 2 cos square x, keep it as it is. Now what is the 2 times? Now there is one more formula. What is that? 2 sin theta into cos theta. 2 sin theta into cos theta, and that is nothing but sine of 2 times theta. And similarly here 2 sin x into cos x is a sine of 2x, and 5 is as it is here. And hence dy by dx is equals to 5 into sine of 2x into e raised to 3 sin square x minus 2 cos square x, and this is the derivative. Okay, पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकताय. मेन फंक्शन काय तर e raised to x. e raised to x चा derivative e raised to x, and hence the derivative of e raised to 2 sin square x minus 2 cos square x is a e raised to 3 sin square x minus 2 cos square x, again into the ddx of this quantity. Okay, then find out it. पुन्हा बघू शकताय तुम्ही. Okay, Now the next question. Y is equals to cos square in bracket log of x square plus 7. Now again main function is what is that? First of all power. Cos square in bracket log of x square plus 7. Therefore differentiating with respect to x, we can write this cos square log of in bracket x square plus 7 like this. Ddx of cos of log of x square plus 7. This bracket is completed raised to 2. Its a derivative is 2 times cos of log of x square plus 7. म्हणजे पॉवर हा मेन फंक्शन आहे. ही पॉवर कुठे आली त्यातनं 2 minus 1 is 1 here. Next ddx of cos of log of x square plus 7. ddx of cos of log of x square plus 7. आता इथे मेन फंक्शन काय आला तर cos आला. What's the derivative of cos? Is a minus sign. Keep this as it is, then log of x square plus 7. Again, we want to find out the derivative of log of x square plus 7, that is into ddx of log of x square plus 7. Now what is the derivative of log of x? Is 1 upon x. Similarly here 1 upon x square plus 7 into ddx of x square plus 7. What's the derivative of x square? Is 2x. Derivative of 7 is 0. And in this way all derivatives are completed here, and hence finally we will write here minus 2 sine, okay, minus 2 sine log of x square plus 7. And what about here? Cos of log of x square plus 7 means what? 2 times sine theta into cos theta. Suppose that here this is the theta and again this is the theta. What about the 2 sine theta into cos theta? 2 sine theta into cos theta means what? Sine of 2 times theta means sine of 2 times log of x square plus 7. Okay, his whole term is converted in this way. That is a sine of 2 log of x square plus 7. What about the next? 1 upon x square plus 7. ddx of x square plus 7. Derivative of 7 is 0 and the derivative of x square is 2x. Okay, and finally we will write the answer, that is 1 into 2x, that is 2x, and here is a minus sign, hence it is a minus 2x into sine of 2 times log of x square plus 7 upon x square plus 7, and hence this is the answer. Okay, काही adjustment पण करायचे असतात, just like here 2 sin x into cos x is a sine of 2x. पुन्हा इथे बघू शकता तुम्ही मेन काय तर पॉवरचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह, नंतर पॉवर मध्ये असणाऱ्यांचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह which is the cos of log of x square plus 7, नंतर cos चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह which is the minus sin log of x square plus 7. Next derivative of log of x square plus 7. The derivative of log of x square plus 7 is a 1 upon x square plus 7. Again the ddx of x square plus 7 which is the 2x plus 0, and then simplification. Okay, पुन्हा बघू शकताय तुम्ही हे. Okay, now the next problem. Tan of in bracket cos of sin x. आता मेन फंक्शन काय ते तर tan आहे. tan नंतर काय? Next is a cos and last is a here is a sin in this way. Okay, y is equals to tan of cos of sin x. First the derivative of tan x which is a sec square ddx of tan of cos of sin x. The first derivative of tan, that is a sec square, नंतरचा ब्रॅकेट मधलं जसं तसं मात्र लिहायचं. Keep it as it is. Okay, sec square cos of sin x into ddx of cos of in bracket sin x, ddx of cos of in bracket sin x. Again, which is the main function here? Cos. Again, the derivative of cos x is a minus sin in bracket sin x, keep it as it is. Again, the derivative of this term sin x, that is the ddx of sin x which is the cos x. Okay, and hence we have the answer. What is that? Here is a minus sign I have taken here. Sec square cos of sin x into sin of sin x into derivative of sin x is a cos x, and in this way dy by dx is equals to minus sec square cos of sin x into sin of sin x into cos x in this way. Okay, पुन्हा इथे बघा मेन फंक्शन काय तर tan चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह किती sec square cos of sin x, पुन्हा नंतर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ cos of sin x which is the minus sine of sin x, again the derivative of sin x, which is the cos x, and you will get the answer. now तुम्ही बघू शकताय. Okay, now the next problem. Y is equals to sec of tan of x raised to 4 plus c. Again, which is the main function here? First is sec. What is the derivative of sec x? Sec x into tan x. Similarly here, the ddx of sec of in bracket tan of x raised to 4 plus 4 is derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x. Similarly here, sec of tan of x raised to 4 plus 4 into tan of x raised to 4 plus 4, this is complete. Next, we'll find out again the composite part, which is that tan of x raised to 4 plus 4. Again into ddx of tan of x raised to 4 plus 4. Now, which is the main function here? Tan. What is the derivative of tan? Is a sec square. Therefore, it is a sec square x raised to 4 plus 4 dot. Again, the ddx of x raised to 4 plus 4. Okay, therefore, ddx of x raised to 4 plus 4. X raised to 4, its a derivative is of 4 x cube, derivative of 4 is 0, and hence we have completed here all the derivatives. Okay, next simplification. 4x raised to 3, 4x raised to 3, sec of sec square x raised to 4 plus 4, it is here. Next is the sec of tan of x raised to 4 plus 4, it is here. Tan of in bracket x raised to 4 plus 4, it is here, and in this way we have completed the answer here. Okay, पुन्हा तुम्ही बघू शकता इथे मेन फंक्शन काय. फर्स्ट सेक चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय? sec x into tan x. हा sec x, हा tan x. But the bracket term means main theta is this, that is the tan of x raised to 4 plus 4. Tan of x raised to 4 plus 4, keep it as it is. Then find out the derivative of tan of x raised to 4 plus 4. Its a derivative is a sec square x raised to 4 plus 4. Again the derivative of x raised to 4 plus 4. Okay. Now the next question. E raised to log of in bracket log of x bracket square minus log of x square. Okay. Now see this here. Whenever the function is like this, e raised to log of m to the base c, then its answer is m. Okay. Similarly here, e raised to log of, and here base is e. Therefore, our answer is log of x bracket square minus log of x square in this way. That is the log of x. E raised to log of x to the base e, the answer is x. Similarly here, log of x bracket square minus log of x square. Now the problem is easy. This is y. Therefore, differentiating this with respect to x, therefore dy by dx is equals to ddx of log of x bracket square minus. Okay. Now this log of x square can be written as 2 times log x. Okay, by using the rules of logarithm. Okay, log of m bracket raised to n is equals to n times log of m. Okay, similarly this written, that is a 2 times log x. Now dy by dx is equals to ddx of log of x bracket square minus 2 times log of x. Now find out the derivative of log of x bracket square. आधी आता ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर आहे बघा, म्हणजे पॉवरचा आधी डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढणार. मीन्स व्हॉट, या पॉवर पुढे घेणार 2 minus 1, then you will get log of x, that is the 2 into log of x. Again या ब्रॅकेट मधल्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढणार, which is the log x. What's its a derivative? ddx of log x, which is the 1 upon x. Now here log of x, this is a standard formula. Derivative of log of x is a 1 upon x. इथे composite काहीच नाही आहे. Its a derivative is a 1 upon x. Okay, and hence we will simplify this. ddx of log x is the 1 upon x. That is a 2 times log x into 1. 2 times log x into 1 means what? 2 times log x upon x minus 2 upon x, and in this way the simplification. Again, that dy by dx we can write it is like this: 2 log x minus 2, and whole divided by x or keep this as it is. Okay. पुन्हा इथे बघू शकताय तुम्ही. मेन रिझल्ट काय, तर मेन हा फॉर्म्युला आहे e raised to log of m to the base e, its value is m. Similarly here, log of x bracket square minus log of x square, which is written as 2 times log x. आणि मग याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह फाइंड आउट करणार. फर्स्ट द डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ पॉवर, then the derivative into derivative of log x. Here only the derivative of log x only. Okay. पुन्हा बघू शकताय तुम्ही. Okay, now the next problem. Sine of in root of sine of root x. आता मेन फंक्शन काय आहे इथे, तर साइन आहे. मग कोणाचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढणार? व्हॉट इज द डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ sin x इज अ cos x. Similarly here, y is equals to sine of root x. Therefore dy by dx is equals to ddx of sine of root x. मग मेन साइनचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय, तर cos. Similarly here, the sine is replaced by cos of in root of sine of root x. पण here root quantities आता डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढणार. Next we will find out the ddx of root of sine of root x. आता rootचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह, what is the derivative of root of x? It's again 1 upon 2 times root x. Similarly, ddx of root of sine of root x is 1 upon 2 times root of sine of root x. मग इथे नुसता root x आहे का नाही? Here is a sine of root x. Again we will write ddx of sine of root x. What is the derivative of sine of root x? He is a cos of root x. Only here there is no sin x. It's a sine of root x again into ddx of root x, which is the 1 upon 2 times root x. Okay. See this here again. पुन्हा बघा, मेन फंक्शन काय, तर साइन. The derivative of sine of root x is a cos of root of sine of root x. Again the derivative of this quantity, it's written here. This is the derivative just like derivative of root of x, which is 1 upon 2 times root of x. Similarly here, 1 upon 2 times in root of sine of root x. Again the derivative of sine of root x. Then what is the derivative of sin x, which is the cos x. Similarly here, cos of root x. Again what is the derivative of this root x? That is the ddx of into ddx of root x, which is the 1 upon 2 times root x. Similarly here, what are the steps here? First derivative, main function, then the derivative of this root quantity, then the derivative of this sin x, then the derivative of this root x. Okay. First 1, 2, 3, 4 times आपण इथे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढतो. हा पहिला डेरिव्हेटिव्ह झाला, हा दुसरा झाला, हा तिसरा आणि हा चौथा, in this way. Okay. And this is the sequence. Next, lastly, the multiplication. Here is a 1 upon 2 root x. 2 into 2, that will become 4. This is root x into root of sine of root x means what? To the denominator, 4 root x into root of sine of root x. What about the numerator? To the numerator, cos of root of sine of root x into cos of root x, and this is the answer. Hence dy by dx is equals to, you have the answer. Okay. मला मेन चेन समजली पाहिजे. पहिला कुठला फंक्शन, देन सेकंड, देन थर्ड अँड देन फोर्थ. आपण इथे पाहिले की 4 वेळा आपण डेरिव्हेटिव्ह फाइंड आउट केले ते, परंतु ती सिक्वेन्स तुम्हाला ती प्रॉपर जमली पाहिजे. ओके, यू कॅन सी दिस हियर. Okay, now the next question. Next, y is equals to log of sec of e raised to x square. Okay, आता main function काय ते, I will change here. First with the black ink. Okay, log. What about the next? Next is a with the blue. Okay, other than blue, I will take the red. This is the sec. And what about the last? Next is a, it is not the last. I will write here. This is the third one. And lastly, x square. Means what? 1, 2, 3 and the derivative of x square, like this. First is log. Now ddx of log of sec of e raised to x square. Now what is the derivative of log of x is 1 upon x. Similarly here, 1 upon whatever that quantity is here, 1 upon sec of e raised to x square into ddx of sec of e raised to x square. But what is the derivative of sec x? Sec x into tan x. Similarly here, the ddx of e raised to sec of e raised to x square is a sec of e raised to x square into tan of e raised to x square. This is the end. Next, ddx of e raised to x square. Again, what is the derivative of e raised to x square? E raised to x. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. But here is x square. And that's why we have written here ddx of x square. What's the derivative of x square? Is a 2x. Now the simplification. आता इथे बघा. This x will get cancelled. Sec of e raised to x square upon sec of e raised to x square get cancelled. You will get tan of e raised to x square. This is the e raised to x square. ddx of x square is a 2x. And hence, finally we have dy by dx is equals to 2x into e raised to x square into tan of e raised to x square. Okay. And hence, this is the answer. पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकताय. Main काय? The log, this is the first one. Next, sec, this is the third one. Next, e, this is the fourth one. And last, x square. Okay. This is the fifth one. Like this. 1, 2, 3. And this is the fourth one. 1, 2, 3. And the fourth one. Okay. Next. बघू शकताय तुम्ही त्याच सिक्वेन्सने. First the derivative log, then sec, then e raised to x square, then x square. Okay. Now for this problem, log of x to the base e square. Okay. What is the function? How to read this? Y is equals to log of log x to the base e square. Here base is e square. Now we'll change the base. How to change? Suppose that you have log of m to the base n. It can be written as here I will change it like this. Log of m to the base a upon log of n to the base a. Similarly, here we'll change the base. Log of log x upon log of e square. Okay. Log of log x upon log of e square means what? Again, we will take here these two. Therefore, it will become 2 times log of e. And here is a base e. Log of e to the base e is 1. 2 into 1, that is a 2. Log of log x upon 2. And hence, you have y is equals to. What is y is equals to? Log of, in bracket, log x and this divided by 2. Take 1 upon 2 outside this ddx sign. Okay. We will find out the derivative of log x. Now, what is the main function? Log x. What's its derivative? What is the derivative of log x? Is 1 upon x. Similarly, derivative of log x is 1 upon log x. But we will find out again the derivative of this log x. This is the first one and this is the second one. Therefore, ddx of log x is again 1 upon x. And hence, 1 upon 2 log x into derivative of log x is 1 upon x. And hence, overall, you will get 1 upon 2x into log x. And hence, the dy by dx is equals to 1 upon 2x into log x. How many functions are here? 2 times. First is 1 log x, log of x, and then again here is a log x. Okay. Next, पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकता चेंज द रूल इथे आपण अप्लाय केलेला आहे. त्यासाठी हा फॉर्म्युला. Now the next. Number of the logs are there. Okay, no problem. Now first, log of log x and bracket square. Though there is a log of log x, but first we'll find out the derivative of the power function. Okay. That is a 2 times, that is a ddx of log x bracket square. It is written as 2 times log of log x first. That is a first we take the 2 here, just like the derivative of x raised to n. What's the derivative of x raised to n? It's a n into x raised to n minus 1. Similarly, we have taken these two, log of log x into, again, the derivative of this bracket. That is the ddx of log x. Now, what is the derivative of? This is again log function. Now the derivative of log log x. Derivative of log x is a 1 upon this log x. Again, the derivative of this log x, that is the ddx of log x. What is the derivative of log x? Is a 1 upon log x into ddx of log x, which is the 1 upon x. And hence, we have the answer 2 times log log x into 1 upon log x into 1 upon log x into 1 upon x, in this way. Okay. See this here. First we find out the derivative of the power. Then we find out this derivative of this log. Okay. याचा find out करणं derivative. This is the first one. Okay. First is a power. Okay. पहिल्यांदा कोणाचा? The power चा find out करणार. Means what I had written here 1. Then this log. Then this log. Means what? Here is a third one. And then this log is a 4 times. 4 times derivative find out करतो. पहिला derivative या steps ला झाला. दूसरा derivative या स्टेपला झाला ddx of this quantity. Okay, third derivative या स्टेपला झाला and the fourth derivative is here in this way. Okay, and this is the answer. Now the simple multiplication is here. That is, we have taken the 2 outside this bracket. Log of log x. Here is the log of log x. Again, 1 upon x into log x into log of log x. X into log x into log of log x, and this is the final answer. Okay. पुन्हा तुम्ही बघू शकता इथे. Next, sin square x square minus cos square x square. Okay. Now this sin square x square can be written as sin square x square can be written as sin of x square and it's a bracket square. Similarly, cos square x square can be written as cos of x square and bracket square. And hence y is equals to sin square x square minus cos square x square differentiating with respect to x. Therefore, dy by dx is equals to ddx of sin square x square minus cos square x square. And again, this sin square x square can be written as ddx of sin of x square bracket square minus ddx of cos of x square and bracket square. इथे power आली बघा इथे. Powerचा derivative first of all. Take 2, reduce this power by 1 and then take 2 here. That is a 2 times sin of x square into ddx of sin of x square. आतलं कोण आहे तर त्या फंक्शनचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. That is the ddx of sin of x square. Next, ddx of cos of x square. Bracket square means what? 2 times cos of x square. Again, find out the derivative of power function. That is 2 times cos of x square. 2 minus 1. त्याची power किती होणार? तर 1 झालेली इथे. Next, ddx of cos of x square. ddx of cos of x square. Okay. Now, what is the derivative of sin? It's a cos. Similarly here, derivative of sin of x square is a cos of x square. Again, derivative of this x square. ddx of x square. Similarly here, minus 2 times cos of x square as it is. Derivative of cos of x square is a minus sin of x square into ddx of x square. The derivative of x square is a 2x. Okay. And here the derivative of x square is a 2x. And overall, this 2 into 2, that will become 4. That is a 4x sin x square into cos square, cos of x square. 4x sin of x square into cos of x square. Okay, this is the 4. Next, again 2 into 2, 4x. Okay, that will become again a 4 sin of x square into cos of x square. This 4 and 4, that will become 8, and that 8 can be written as 4x in bracket 2 times sin of x square into cos of x square. Okay, it's simple. Overall, that will become 8x in bracket sin of x square into cos of, here is a x square. This 8x can be written as 4x in bracket 2 sin of x square into cos of x square. Now 2 times sin of x square into cos of x square means what? Sin of 2x square. And this is the sin of 2x square. 4x is as it is, and hence dy by dx is equals to 4x sine of 2x square. This is the answer. पुन्हा बघू शकताय तुम्ही. आधी पॉवरचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह फाइंड आउट करणार, then साइनचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह, then x square, डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ द x square in this way. हे 3 वेळा इथे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह फाइंड आउट करतो. फर्स्ट पॉवर, then sin, then x square. And lastly, the normal simplification. 2 sin theta into cos theta means what? Sin of 2 times theta. हा फॉर्म्युला इथे वापरलेला आपण. ओके, 2 sin theta into cos theta, and that is equals to sin of 2 times theta. Okay. Now the next question, question number 3. Now the question number 2. Differentiate the following with respect to x. First question, let y is equals to x square plus 4x plus 1 bracket is to 3 plus x cube minus 5x minus 2 bracket is to 4. Now differentiating with respect to x, we get hence dy by dx is equals to ddx of x square plus 4x plus 1 bracket is to 3 plus x cube minus 5x minus 2 bracket is to 4. We'll separate this differentiation. That is the ddx of x square plus 4x plus 1 bracket is to 3 plus ddx of x cube minus 5x minus 2 bracket is to 4. मग first of all हा पॉवरचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढणार आता. That is a 3 in bracket x square, 3 in bracket x square plus 4x plus 1, 3 minus 1, that is 2, into ddx of this x square plus 4x plus 1 because it is a composite, into ddx of x square plus 4x plus 1. Now for this, ddx of x cube minus 5x minus 2 bracket is to 4. Madi पहिल्यांदा पॉवरचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. Take this 4 here and then the reduce this power by 1. Therefore 4 into x cube minus 5x minus 2 bracket raised to here 3. We will write here 3 instead of 4. Okay. Next, into ddx of x cube minus 5x minus 2. Okay. To the next step, keep this 3 as it is, keep this bracket as it is. Into ddx of derivative of x square is a 2x, derivative of 4x, derivative of x is 1, 4 into 1, derivative of 1 which is a constant, its a derivative 0. Next 4 into in bracket x cube minus 5x minus 2 raised to 3 into ddx of x cube minus 5x minus 2. Derivative of x cube is a 3x square, derivative of x is 1, 5 into 1 which is the 5, derivative of 2 is 0. Okay, and hence we have the ddx of, again next see this here, 2x plus 4, 4 into 1 that will be the 4, and we can take here the 2 as a common, and then 2 into this 3 that will become 6. If we take the 2 as a common, यातनं आपण 2 common काढू शकतो. That is a 2 in bracket x plus 2. This 2 into 3 that will become 6. 6 into in bracket x plus 2. Then x square plus 4x plus 1 bracket raised to here, sorry here 2. Here is the 2 bracket is to 2. Okay. 6 in bracket x plus 2, x square plus 4x plus 1 bracket is to 2 plus 4. Okay. Now what about here? The multiplication is a 5 into 1 is a 5. Therefore it is a 4 into in bracket 3x square minus 5. 4 into in bracket 3x square minus 5. Again in bracket x square minus 5x minus 2 bracket raised to 3. Okay. And hence we have the answer dy by dx is equals to 6 into in bracket x plus 2, x square plus 4x plus 1 bracket square plus 4 in bracket 3x square minus 5 into x cube minus 5x minus 2 bracket is to 3, and this is the derivative. Okay. See this here. फक्त नॉर्मल इथे पॉवरचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह into the ddx of this x square plus 4x plus 1. ओके. त्या पॉवर मध्ये आतला जो काही फंक्शन आहे त्याचा आपण डेरिव्हेटिव्ह फाइंड आउट करतो. Next question. 1 plus 4x bracket is to 5 into in next bracket 3 plus x minus x square bracket is to 8. Now here is the product of the two function. दोन्ही power function आहे. U into V rule इथे वापरणार का? What is that? Y is equals to U into V. Then it's a dy by dx is equals to U into dv upon dx plus V into du by dx. Okay. Y is equals to, in bracket 1 plus 4x bracket raised to 5 in bracket 3 plus x minus x square bracket raised to s. Therefore, dy by dx is equals to ddx of in bracket 1 plus 4x bracket raised to 5 in bracket 3 plus x minus x square bracket raised to 8. Again, apply the product rule. This first is as it is 1 plus 4x bracket raised to 5. Again, ddx of 3 plus x minus x square bracket raised to 8 plus 3 plus x minus x square bracket raised to 8 into ddx of 1 plus 4x bracket raised to 5. That is the powers of derivative corner, which is the 8 minus 1, that is a 7. That is 8 into in bracket 3 plus x minus x square raised to 7 into ddx of this composite, which is the 3 plus x minus x square plus 3 plus x minus x square, okay, raised to 8 into ddx of 1 plus 4x bracket raised to 5. Take this 5 here into 1 plus 4x bracket raised to 5 minus 1 4 into ddx of 1 plus 4x. Okay. Now see this here. The 8 here 1 plus 4x bracket raised to 5 as it is. Next 3 plus x minus x square bracket raised to 7. What about the derivative of 3? It's a 0. Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of x square is a minus 2x. Next, there is a 5 into 1 plus 4x bracket is to 4. 5 इथे घेतलेला आहे. Next, x in bracket 3 plus x minus x square bracket is to 8. This term is also as it is. Now the derivative of 1 is 0. 4x is 4. Derivative of x is 1. And hence 0 plus 4 and that is equals to again 4. Put a normal simplification केलेले. This 8 is as it is. 1 plus 4x bracket is to 5. This is also as it is. What about here? 1 minus 2x. Here is 1 minus 2x. What about the next? 3 plus x minus x square bracket is to 7 plus next multiplication. Here is a 5 into 4. That will be the 20 into in bracket 1 plus 4x bracket is to 4 in bracket 3 plus x minus x square bracket is to 8. And in this way, the final answer is a dy by dx is equals to 8 into in bracket 1 minus 2x 1 plus 4x bracket is to 5 3 plus x minus x square bracket is to 7 plus 20 in bracket 1 plus 4x bracket is to 4 into 3 plus x minus x square bracket is to 8. And in this way. Okay. Long steps आहेत त्यामध्ये. Okay. Now the next. सुरुवातीला काय? The sum rule आपण इथे वापरलाय. Y is equals to u plus v. Then y is equals to u into v. And the next here, y is equals to u upon v, which is the quotient rule. And it implies that the dy by dx is equals to v into du by dx minus u into dv upon dx and this whole divided by v square. Okay. Now see this here, y is equals to x upon in root of 1 minus 3x. Okay. Therefore, differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equals to ddx of x upon in root of 7 minus 3x. With the quotient rule opener, first we write here v. V is root of 7 minus 3x into ddx of x minus u into ddx of v, which is the in root of 7 minus 3x upon v square means what? Root of 7 minus 3x bracket square. Bracket square and root sign get cancelled and then you will get 7 minus 3x. Root of 7 minus 3x, derivative of x is 1 minus x into root of 7 minus 3x. What about its the derivative of root of x? Similar here, 1 upon 2 times in root of 7 minus 3x. Again, it is a composite. Therefore, we write here into ddx of 7 minus 3x. Okay. What about the derivative of 7 is 0 and 3x. The derivative of x is the 1. 3 into 1, which is the minus 3. And hence, here in root of 7 minus 3x minus. What is that? 1 into x, it's x upon 2 in root of 7 minus 3x. Derivative of 7 is 0. 3 into 1 is a 3. And hence, upon 1 minus 3x is as it is. Okay. In root of 7 minus 3x minus, again the multiplication and simplification. हे simplification कसं येणार बघा इथे. Root of 7 minus 3x minus, okay, this minus and minus that will become plus. Here is a minus sign and minus 3. And then it will become 3x upon 2 in root of 7 minus 3x. ओके. आता पुढचं सिम्प्लिफिकेशन, या टर्मने याला मल्टिप्लाय करणार and then you will get this root sign will get cancelled. Then you will get 2 in bracket 7 minus 3x plus 3x upon 7 minus 3x into पुन्हा ही एक पॉवर असणार आहे, that is this 1 upon 2 and this one, that will become 3 by 2. Root of 7 into 2 times root of 7 minus 3 x is a 2 into 7 minus 3x. Okay. Next plus 3x upon पुन्हा ही एक पॉवर हाफ असणार आहे आणि हा 1 पॉवर and that will become 3 by 2 आणि हा डिनोमिनेटरचा 2 इथे. Okay. Is simplification. Okay. Now next simplification, 2 into 7 is 14. 2 into minus 3x minus 6x plus 3 upon 2 in bracket 7 minus 3x raised to 3 by 2. Okay. And next is a minus 6x plus 3x, then you will get minus 3x. And hence 14 minus 3x upon 2 in bracket 7 minus 3x raised to 3 by 2. And hence the dy by dx is equals to 14 minus 3x upon 2 in bracket 7 minus 3x bracket raised to 3 by 2. आता हे सिम्प्लिफिकेशन पुन्हा तुम्हाला ते समजलं पाहिजे, त्यासाठी मी पुन्हा ते लिहितो इथे. ओके. What will here 2 times in bracket 7 minus 3x. Okay. Root sign will get cancelled plus 3x and this whole divided by root of 2 times root of 7 minus 3x upon here is a 7 minus 3x. Okay. And then that is a 2 in root of 7 minus 3x and this power 1, and that overall it will become 2 times 7 minus 3x raised to 3 by 2. Okay. And this is the answer. Okay. Now you can see this here again. तुम्ही बघू शकता है which is the rule, quotient rule इथे apply केलेला आहे. Main theme is that the derivative of root of 7 minus 3x. हा derivative कोणासारखा आहे? The derivative of root x, which is the 1 upon 2 times root x into, it is again the composite, into ddx of 7 minus 3x. Next simplification is also very important. Now the next, y is equals to x cube minus 5 bracket is to 5, x cube plus 3 bracket is to 3. Again here we will apply the quotient rule. Okay. Therefore dy by dx is equals to ddx of x cube minus 5 bracket is to 5 upon x cube plus 3 bracket is to 3. Again first x cube plus 3 bracket is to 3. This is the v into ddx of u, which is x cube minus 5 bracket is to 5 minus x cube minus 5 bracket is to 5 into ddx of x cube plus 3 bracket is to 3. Okay. X cube plus 3 bracket is to 3 into ddx of x cube minus 5 bracket is to 5, which is the 5 into x cube minus 5 bracket is to 4. Again it is a composite. Therefore we will find out the derivative of x cube minus 5. There is a ddx of x cube minus 5. Okay. This part is over here. Next, minus sign. X cube minus 5 raised to 5. ddx of x cube plus 3 bracket is to 3. म्हणजे इथे पॉवरचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढणार. That is, it is a 3 into x cube plus 3 bracket square into ddx of x cube plus 3. Okay. Upon v square means what, x cube plus 3 bracket cube and it's a square. Its a power will become 6. That is x cube plus 3 bracket is to 6. पुढे simplification बघा. That is, here is a 5 x cube plus 3 bracket is to 3, x cube minus 5 bracket is to 4. Now the derivative of x cube is a 3x square, derivative of 5 is 0, minus here is a 3, x cube minus 5 bracket is to 5, x cube plus 3 bracket is to 2, and into ddx of x cube plus 3. Derivative of x cube is a 3x square, derivative of 3 is a 0 in this way. Next, x cube plus 3 bracket is to 6 here. Put a normal multiplication here, 3x square here. Okay. Into, now see this here, we'll take the common from this step. What are the common? First is 3x square minus 0 means what, here is a 3x square. Here also 3x square plus 0 means what, 3x square. And therefore from these two terms This is the first one and this is the second one. 3x square and 3x square. Take 3x square as a common first. What about the next? X cube plus 3 bracket square. Here x cube plus 3, x cube plus 3 bracket cube, and here x cube plus 3 bracket square. Here is a square and here is a cube, and hence we will take the minimum, which is that x cube plus 3 bracket square. X cube plus 3, it's a bracket square. What about the next? X cube minus 5 bracket is to 4 for the first term, and for the second term x cube minus 5 bracket is to 5. Now from these two terms we will take x cube minus 5 bracket is to 4, which is the minimum. Now what terms are remaining in the bracket? Now in the first term we have taken 3x square, here x cube plus 3 bracket square, okay, x cube minus 5 bracket is to 4. Therefore only 5 and x cube plus 3 bracket is to 1 is remaining here for this one. Okay, यातनं जर आपण कॉमन काय काय काढलेलं आहे, 3x स्क्वेअर एक्स क्यूब प्लस 3 ब्रॅकेट्सवर इथनं जर कॉमन केलं तर काय राहणार, सिंगल पॉवर याचाच राहणार. एक्स क्यूब मायनस 5 ब्रॅकेट इज टू 4 गेलेला आहे, त्यामुळे त्याचं काहीच राहणार नाही शिल्लक. देअरफॉर हियर 5 आणि याची एक पॉवर. व्हॉट अबाउट हियर? हियर इज अ 3x स्क्वेअर गेलेला आहे तो बाहेर इथे. नेक्स्ट एक्स क्यूब प्लस 3 ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर गेलेला आहे, टोटल टर्म गेलेला आहे. नेक्स्ट एक्स क्यूब मायनस 5 ब्रॅकेट इज टू 5 आहे, पण आपण किती कॉमन काढलेला आहे, 4 कॉमन काढलेला आहे, म्हणून त्याच्यातला एक टर्म राहणार आहे. देअरफॉर हियर इज अ 3 ॲज इट इज. एक्स क्यूब मायनस 5 4 कॉमन काढलेला आहे, म्हणून एक टर्म फक्त इथे राहिलेली आहे. अँड हेन्स आफ्टर टेकिंग द कॉमन 3x स्क्वेअर इंटू एक्स क्यूब प्लस 3 ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर इंटू एक्स क्यूब मायनस 5 ब्रॅकेट इज टू 4 कॉमन from these two terms. Which are the two terms? This is the first one and this is the second one. Which is the common? 3x square into x cube plus 3 bracket square into x cube minus 5 bracket is to 4. Then what terms are remaining? 5, x cube minus 5, x cube plus 3, okay, minus 3 in bracket x cube minus 5. Okay. पुढे नॉर्मल सिम्प्लिफिकेशन आहे. देर इज अ 3x स्क्वेअर, इट इज ॲज इट इज. एक्स क्यूब मायनस 5 ब्रॅकेट इज टू 4. ओके, एक्स क्यूब प्लस 3 ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर, हियर एक्स क्यूब प्लस 3 ब्रॅकेट इज टू 6. हे 2 पॉवर इथली कट होणार आणि या 6 मधल्या 2 जाणार. देन दी डिनोमिनेटर हॅज द टर्म एक्स क्यूब प्लस 3 ब्रॅकेट इज टू 4 अँड हेन्स 3x स्क्वेअर in bracket x cube minus 5 bracket is to 4. Okay, these terms are remaining. What about this square bracket? It will be the 5x cube, 5 into 3, 15, minus 3 into x cube, minus 3x cube, minus 3 into minus 5, that will be the plus 15. Okay, next, इथे किती येणार, 3x square, x cube minus 5 bracket is to 4. हे पुन्हा simplification करणार, 5x cube minus 3x cube, then you will get 2x cube. 15 plus 15, that is a 30. Okay, and hence 3x square in bracket x cube minus 5 bracket is to 4 into 2x cube plus 30, and this divided by x cube plus 3 bracket is to 4, and hence the dy by dx is equals to 6x square into x cube plus 15 into x cube minus 5 bracket is to 4. Okay, upon x cube plus 3 bracket is to 4, and this is the answer. Okay, पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकताय क्वोशंट रूल इथे अप्लाय केलेला आहे. कॉमन टर्म्स या दोघातनं कॉमन टर्म्स या इम्पॉर्टंट आहेत. त्या काय आहेत तर कॉमन टर्म्स, दीज आर दी कॉमन टर्म्स. ओके, दिस इज इम्पॉर्टंट. हे काढल्यानंतर या ब्रॅकेट मधलं सिम्प्लिफिकेशन, देन यू विल गेट दी आन्सर. भरपूर कॅल्क्युलेशन्स आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये. पुन्हा बघू शकताय. Now the next question, y is equals to in bracket 1 plus sin square x bracket square into 1 plus cos square x bracket cube. Now what is here? U into V. We'll apply here U into V rule. Okay. Now differentiating with respect to x, that is the ddx of in bracket 1 plus sin square x bracket square into 1 plus cos square x bracket cube. Okay. Now here apply the product rule. 1 plus sin square x bracket square into ddx of 1 plus cos square x bracket cube plus 1 plus cos square x bracket cube into ddx of 1 plus sin square x bracket square. Okay. We'll apply here the product rule. Now see this here. Okay. This is the big one. Now see this here. We are applying here the product rule. 1 plus sin square x bracket square as it is. ddx of 1 plus cos square x bracket cube plus 1 plus cos square x bracket cube into ddx of 1 plus sin square x bracket square. मग याचा आधी पॉवरचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढणार. कीप दिस टर्म ॲज इट इज. दॅट इज अ 3 in bracket 1 plus cos square x bracket square into ddx of 1 plus cos square. हा पहिला पार्ट इथे संपतो आपला. ओके. Now the second part. Okay. This is the second one. 1 plus cos square x bracket cube. Derivative of 1 plus sin square x bracket square is a 2 times in bracket 1 plus sin square x into ddx of 1 plus sin square x. Okay. Second part. पुढची step. What is that here? Again see this here. 1 plus sin square x bracket square as it is. हा 3 आपण इथे पुढे घेतलेला आहे. 1 plus cos square x bracket square इथे. ddx of 1 plus cos square x. Now derivative of this one is 0. Cos square x चा derivative 2 times cos x ddx of this cos x bracket complete. This is the similar part. Now see this here. 1 plus cos square x bracket cube 1 plus cos square x bracket cube 2 times 1 plus sin square x 2 times 1 plus sin square x. Next ddx of 1 plus sin square x. Derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of sin square x is a 2 sin x. Again derivative ddx of sin x which is the cos x. That is a 2 sin x into cos x. Okay. And the remaining terms are here as it is. Okay. Now the next. See this here. 3 1 plus sin square x bracket square 1 plus cos square x bracket square. Now what about here? The derivative of sin x cos x is a minus sign. That is you have 2 times cos x into minus sin x. And जर आपण ते पुन्हा इव्हॅल्युएट केलं, that is here 2 times sin x into cos x means what? 2 sin x into cos x. Then you will get sin of 2x. But it has the minus sign. It's a minus sign, therefore it is written as minus sin of 2x plus. Okay. Now here we have completed here. This is in the red ink. Okay. Next 2 in bracket 1 plus sin square x 1 plus cos square x bracket cube. Now the derivative of sin x is a cos x. Again we have here 2 times sin x into cos x means what? Sin of 2x, and hence this is also clear. What about the next? Here the sin of 2x, we will take the common from these two terms. See this here. Sin of 2x, here is also sin of 2x. Take sin of 2x as a common. Next 1 plus sin square x bracket square. And इथे किती आहे? 1 plus sin square x. Here the power is 1, here is a 2. And overall, we will take only the single power. That is the sin of 2x. Next, 1 plus sin square x. हे common घेणार. What about the 1 plus cos square x bracket square? इथे power 2 आहे. इथे power किती? तर 3 आहे. Therefore, we will take the 1 plus cos square x bracket square as a common. And hence, the common from these two terms, okay, these two terms is, what is that? Sin of 2x, 1 plus sin square x into 1 plus cos square x bracket square. What term will be remaining for the first term and the second term? काय करणार आहे तिथे? This 3, the minus sign, which is the minus 3. 1 plus sin square x bracket square. त्याच्यातला 1 term राहणार 1 plus sin square x. What about the next? 1 plus cos square x. Okay, totally it is common. Therefore, only the term will remain minus 3 in bracket 1 plus sin square x. फक्त एवढं तिथे राहणार. What about here? Again here we have taken sine of 2x as a common. Next 1 plus sin square x हा कॉमन तिथनं गेलेला आहे. 1 plus cos square x ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर गेलेला आहे. इथली सिंगल पॉवर इथे राहिली फक्त शिल्लक. And therefore the 2 in bracket 1 plus cos square x. ओके, म्हणजे हे टोटल कॉमन झालेलं आहे आणि हे ब्रॅकेट मध्ये रिमेनिंग असणार आहे. नाउ कीप दिस as it is, that is a sine of 2x in bracket 1 plus sin square x into 1 plus cos square x bracket square. आता या ब्रॅकेट मधलं सिम्प्लिफिकेशन. व्हॉट इज दॅट? minus 3 into 1 minus 3 minus 3 into sin square x minus 3 sin square x plus 2 into 1, this is a 2, 2 into cos square x, that is a 2 cos square x. Okay, next simplification. Keep this term as it is. हे term हे जसं तसं इथे लिहिलेलं आहे. minus 3, okay, and plus 2, you will get minus 1. Minus 3 sin square x minus 3 sin square x. Now from these two terms, we'll take 2 as a common. Then in bracket you will get 1 minus sin square x. Okay. Next simplification, minus 1 minus 3 sin square x. Okay. 2 into 1, you will get 2. 2 into minus sin square x, you will get minus 2 sin square x. Minus 3 sin square x and minus 2 sin square x. Overall you will get minus 5 sin square x. Okay. Next, here is a minus 1 and plus 2. Overall you will get 1 minus 5 sin square x, and hence the answer, sine of 2x as it is, 1 plus sin square x as it is, 1 plus cos square x bracket square is as it is, and after simplification from this bracket you will get 1 minus 5 sin square x, and overall the answer dy by dx is equals to sine 2x in bracket 1 plus sin square x into 1 plus cos square x bracket square into in bracket 1 minus 5 sin square x. Okay, पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकता, बिगेस्ट वन आहे ते. Okay, now the next problem, y is equals to in root of cos x plus in root of cos of root x. Okay, there is a sum of the two functions. मग याचा इंडिपेंडंट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आणि याचा देखील इंडिपेंडंट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. ओके, फक्त फंक्शन कुठला टाइप आहे? डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ द रूट एक्स. व्हॉट इज अबाउट द डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ रूट एक्स? 1 upon 2 times root x. Similarly, okay, differentiating with respect to x, you will get dy by dx is equals to ddx of in bracket root of cos x plus root of cos of root x. Okay, now here the derivative, the ddx of cos of root x means what? Cos of x raised to 1 upon 2. मग याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह करताना पॉवर कशी आणतो आपण? पुढे आणतो, त्यातनं एक मायनस करत असतो. और you can write directly ddx of cos of root x is 1 upon 2 times in root of cos x into ddx of this cos x, or you may perform it like this, ddx of cos of x raised to 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 is here, 1 upon 2 minus 1. Here is a minus 1 upon 2. We can make this power as a positive, and that is nothing but the root of cos x. And hence we write here 1 upon 2 times root of cos x. And hence directly the derivative of root of cos x is a 1 upon 2 times root of cos x. It's similar to the derivative of root x. What is the derivative of root x? The derivative of root x is a, again I am repeating number of the times, it is a 1 upon 2 times root x. Similarly here, the derivative of root of cos x is a 1 upon 2 times root of cos x into ddx of this cos x, which is the minus sign. फक्त इथे आपण त्या स्टेप्स परफॉर्म करत असतो. Similarly here, the ddx of root of cos of root x is again 1 upon 2 times root of cos of root x into ddx of cos of root x, which is the minus sign of root x, into ddx of this root x, which is the ddx of root of x, which is the 1 upon 2 times root x. आणि इथेच ते आपण परफॉर्म केलेले आहे. See this here again. The ddx of cos of root x 1 upon 2 is a 1 upon 2, cos of root x 1 upon 2 minus 1, that is a minus 1 upon 2. मग ही पॉवर आपण कशी करतो? तर पॉझिटिव्ह करून लिहितो. And that's why here 1 upon 2 times root of cos of root x means what? Derivative of root of cos of root x is 1 upon 2 times root of cos of root x. Next, derivative of cos of root x, which is the minus sine of root x, into again ddx of root of x is 1 upon 2 times root x, and in normal simplification, which is the minus sine x upon 2 root of cos x minus sine of root x as it is 2 into 2, 4 root x into root of cos of root x, and this is the answer. Okay. पुन्हा तुम्ही बघा मेन काय तर याचा रूट या प्रकारे, but it is a composite. Then we find the derivative of cos x for the first. Then we find out the derivative of cos of root x, which is a minus sine of root x. Again the derivative of root x, which is the 1 upon 2 times root x. या प्रकारची sequence तुम्हाला ती समजली पाहिजे. Okay. Now the next. Y is equals to log of sec 3x plus tan 3x. Okay. Therefore, dy by dx is equals to ddx of log of sec of 3x plus tan of 3x. Now, main function is a log. What's the derivative of log of x? Derivative of log of x is the 1 upon x. मग इथे नुसता x आहे का? ते x नाही आहे. It is a composite with sec of 3x plus tan of 3x into ddx of sec of 3x plus tan of 3x. Okay. Now, first, the ddx of log of sec of 3x plus tan of 3x is 1 upon sec of 3x plus tan of 3x. But it is a composite with sec of 3x plus tan of 3x, and hence we write the ddx of sec of 3x plus tan of 3x. Next, what about the derivative of sec of 3x? Is sec of 3x into tan of 3x. Now, what is the derivative of sec x? The derivative of sec x is the tan x into sec x. मग इथे फक्त x होतं, पण इथे 3x आहे, and hence we differentiate again derivative of 3x, and hence the ddx of sec of 3x is a sec of 3x into tan of 3x. Again it is a composite. We want to find out the derivative of 3x, that is the ddx of 3x. Next, derivative of tan of 3x. What about the derivative of tan x? The derivative of tan x is a sec square x, and hence here the derivative of tan of 3x is a sec square 3x. Again it is a composite. We want to find out the derivative of this 3x, that is the ddx of 3x, and that is 3. And hence the answer we have 1 upon sec of 3x plus tan of 3x. A normal multiplication. Derivative of 3x is 3. Derivative of 3x is again here 3. Sec square 3x. Here is a sec of 3x into tan of 3x plus sec square 3x. Take 3 times sec of 3x as a common from the numerator, and then in bracket you will get tan of 3x plus sec of 3x. Okay. आता पुढे काय की tan of 3x plus sec of 3x to the numerator and the denominator get cancelled, and you will get 3 sec of 3x, and hence it's a derivative. dy by dx is equals to 3 sec of 3x. Okay, and in this way we have completed. Now the next. Okay, you can see this here. This is the answer. Now the next problem. या टाइपचे प्रॉब्लेम्स मोस्टली कधी विचारत नाही, परंतु ठीक आहे, we will find out it. Y is equals to 1 plus sine of x degree upon 1 minus sine of x degree. आता डिग्रीचं कन्वर्जन रेडियन मध्ये करणार. x degree is equals to pi x upon 180 radians आहे. Okay. Therefore 1 plus sine of pi x upon 180, 1 minus sine of pi x upon 180. Differentiate this with respect to x. पुन्हा इथे काय करणार तर quotient rule apply करणार. Okay. 1 minus sine of pi x upon 180 into ddx of 1 plus sine of pi x upon 180 minus 1 plus sine of pi x upon 180 into ddx of this 1 minus sine of pi x upon 180 means what? V into derivative of the u minus u into derivative of v upon v square. Okay. आता याचा derivative फक्त derivative of 1 is 0. This term is as it is. Derivative of sine of pi x upon 180 means what? Cos of pi x upon 180 into ddx of this composite. That is the ddx of pi x upon 180 minus 1 plus sine of pi x upon 180, keep it as it is. ddx of 1 is 0. ddx of sine of pi x upon 180 is a cos of pi x upon 180 into ddx of pi x upon 180 upon 1 minus sine x pi x upon 180 bracket square. Okay. आता बघा पुन्हा इथे कन्वर्जन पुन्हा डिग्रीमध्ये करणार 1 minus sin of x degree. Okay, cos of x degree into. Now what is the derivative of x is 1, and then you will get pi upon 180. Therefore pi upon 180 into 1. पुढे बघा 1 plus sin of pi x upon 180. Again it is a x degree. Again the derivative of cos of x degree into derivative of x is 1, pi upon 180 into 1. पुढे normal simplification है. Pi upon 180, pi upon 180, take it as a common. Cos of x degree, pi upon 180, cos of x degree, pi upon 180, आपण हे common घेणार. Then in bracket you will get 1 minus sin of x degree. What about here? 1 plus sin of x degree. Okay. And then this minus and minus, that will become plus. A minus sign इथे, a minus, that will become plus. And therefore we have taken only this plus sign, 1 plus sin of x degree. Plus sin of x degree and minus sin of x degree get cancelled. 1 plus 1, you will get 2. And to the denominator, 1 minus sin of x degree bracket square. Okay. And the overall, what about here? 1 plus 1 is a 2. 2 pi upon 180 cos of x degree upon 1 minus sin of x degree bracket square. 2 pi upon 180 means you will get pi upon 90. Okay. Into cos of x degree upon 1 minus sin of x degree bracket square, and hence the answer. या टाइपचे प्रॉब्लेम काही विचारत नाही, परंतु तुम्हाला ते लक्षात असलं पाहिजे. That is, we convert this degree to the radian and then simplify it, and then you will get the answer. Okay. Now the next problem. Y is equals to cot of log of x upon 2 minus log of cot of x upon 2. बघा इथे cot of log of x upon 2 minus log of cot of x upon 2. Okay. First main function is a cos, and here is a log. And composite, this cot is a composite with log of x by 2, and this log is composite with cot of x by 2. Cot of x upon 2. Okay. Now differentiating with respect to x, ddx of cot of log of x by 2 minus log of cot of x upon 2. Not x by 2, cot of x upon 2. Okay. And here is a log of x upon 2. ddx of cot of log of x upon 2 minus derivative operator operate करणार on the for the both the terms minus ddx of log of cot of x upon 2. What about the derivative of cot of x? It is a minus cos x square x. Similarly here, the ddx of cot of log of x upon 2 is a minus cos x square log of x upon 2 into ddx of this composite, which is a log of x upon 2, minus ddx of log of cot of x by 2 is a 1 upon cot of x upon 2 into ddx of cot of x upon 2. Okay, या प्रकार minus cos x square x into log of x upon 2. What is the derivative of log of x? Is a 1 upon x, and हा 1 upon 2 is a 1 upon 2. Hence we have the total derivative. Now again, minus 1 upon cot of x upon 2, and to multiplied and reciprocal होणार, that is a 2 upon cot of x. Okay. पुढे हा 1 upon 2 इथे घेतलाय, this 1 upon 2. Derivative of cot x minus cos x square x. Okay. And here is the complete derivative. Next simplification. What is that here? Here is a 1 upon 2 and 1 upon x. 2 into x. Overall you will get 2x. Minus, with a minus sign, minus cos x square log of x upon 2 upon 2x. This is the first one. And what about here? This 2 will get cancelled. 1 upon cot means what? This is the tan. This minus sign and this minus sign, that will become plus. And here is a cos x square x. Puna next simplification. That is a dy by dx is equals to minus cos x square log of x upon 2 upon 2x plus tan x into cos x square. And this is the final answer. पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकताय. बिगेस्ट एक्सरसाइज आहे, भरपूर प्रॉब्लेम्स त्याने यामध्ये घेतलेले. ओके. Now the next problem number 10. Y is equals to e raised to 2x minus e raised to minus 2x upon e raised to 2x plus e raised to minus 2x. Now we'll find out its derivative using the quotient rule. But before that, we'll make some simplification karna. E raised to minus 2x means what? 1 upon e raised to 2x, a power plus scale. Again for the denominator, e raised to 2x plus e raised to minus 2x means what? 1 upon e raised to 2x. Next simplification, e raised to 2x into e raised to 2x. That will become e raised to 2x into 2x. It will become e raised to 4x minus 1. Okay. Upon इथे किती येणार? e raised to 2x. Again, e raised to 2x into e raised to 2x, you will get e raised to 4x plus 1, and this upon e raised to 2x. E raised to 2x, e raised to 2x get cancelled, and overall you will get e raised to 4x minus 1 upon e raised to 4x plus 1. Now here we will apply the quotient rule. Okay. ddx of e raised to 4x minus 1 upon e raised to 4x plus 1. What is the quotient rule? V into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v upon v square. Suppose that if you have y is equals to u upon v. Therefore, e raised to 4x plus 1, ddx of e raised to 4x minus 1. What about the derivative of e raised to 4x? Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. But here is a 4x. It is a composite. And hence, derivative of e raised to 4x is e raised to 4x into ddx of 4x. Okay, minus 1. Derivative of minus 1 is a 0. It's a constant. ddx of 4x is a 4 minus 0. Again, e raised to 4x minus 1 as it is into ddx of e raised to 4x plus 1. Derivative of 1 is 0. And derivative of e raised to 4x is a e raised to 4x into ddx of 4x, which is the 4. Okay. Put a simplification upon e raised to 4x plus 1 bracket square. Okay. Next simplification, e raised to 4x plus 1 into e raised to 4x into 4 minus e raised to 4x minus 1 into e raised to 4x into 4. Okay. Next, e raised to 4x into 4, e raised to 4x into 4. Take it as a common. Means what? 4 into e raised to 4x हा पण common घेतला. Next काय राहणार शिल्लक? e raised to 4x plus 1 minus in bracket e raised to 4x minus 1. If you open the bracket, then sign will change. म्हणजे sign change होणार. या e raised to 4x ला minus sign मिळणार, या minus 1 ला plus sign मिळणार इथे. ओके. इथे ब्रॅकेटच्या बाहेर काय आहे तर ते मायनस साइन आहे. आतल्यात साइन चेंज होणार. नाउ प्लस e raised to minus 4x and plus e raised to 4x and minus e raised to 4x get cancelled. 1 plus 1 2, 2 into 4 that will be the 8, and hence it is a 8 into e raised to 4x upon e raised to 4x plus 1 bracket square, and hence dy by dx is equals to 8 into e raised to 4x upon e raised to 4x plus 1 bracket square, and this is the answer. Okay. Main important काय तर हे simplification. नाहीतर मग यांचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढत काढत ते मुश्किल झालं असतं. Therefore we make this term as a positive, that is e raised to 2x minus 1 upon e raised to 2x. Next simplification, apply the quotient rule and then you will get the answer. Okay. Silly mistake इथे नको झाली पाहिजे मात्र प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करताना. ओके. एकदम कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन तुमचं असलं पाहिजे प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करताना. ओके. Now next, y is equals to e raised to root x plus 1 upon e raised to root x minus 1. Now differentiating this with respect to x, again the apply the quotient rule. V into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v upon v square. E raised to x minus 1 as it is. Derivative of e raised to root x plus 1 is a e raised to root x. And then the derivative of root x. The derivative of root x, derivative of 1 is a 0. Okay. Derivative of e raised to root x is a e raised to root x into ddx of root x. Derivative of this one, which is a constant, its derivative is 0. Which are first part apply this sample. Next, e raised to root x plus 1 as it is. ddx of e raised to root x. What about the derivative of e raised to root x? E raised to root x into derivative of root x. ddx of root x. Derivative of this minus 1 is a 0. Upon e raised to root x minus 1 bracket square. पुढे simplification बघा. E raised to root x minus 1 e raised to root x into the derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 times root x minus e raised to root x plus 1 as it is. E raised to root x into derivative of root x is a 1 upon 2 times root x. Now see this here, simplification. आता इथे बघा, e raised to root x upon 2 times root x. E raised to root x upon 2 times root x. Take e raised to root x upon 2 times root x from this term and this term as a common. Here, e raised to root x upon 2 times root x. या दोघांतनं आपण काय केलं तर कॉमन घेतलेलं आहे. Then what you will get in bracket? Bracket मध्ये हे दोन्ही टर्म्स मिळतील. What is that? E raised to root x minus 1 minus in bracket e raised to root x plus 1. If you open the bracket, then you will get a sign change होणार minus e raised to root x minus 1. Okay. Now here plus e raised to root x minus e raised to root x get cancelled. Minus 1 and minus 1 that will become minus 2. Okay. And ha minus 2 and ha plus 2 that will get cancelled and overall you will get, म्हणजे इथे बघा, you can write here e raised to root x upon 2 root x into this is the minus 2 upon e raised to root x minus 1 and this bracket square. This 2 will get cancelled and then you will get e raised to root x upon root x, this root x into e raised to root x, e raised to root x minus 1 and it's a bracket square. Okay, in this way. And hence the answer. But what is here? Minus sign is here and therefore I am writing here minus. Okay. Therefore dy by dx is equals to minus e raised to root x upon root x into in bracket e raised to root x minus 1 bracket square and in this way. Okay. This is the dy by dx. पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकताय नॉर्मल क्वोशियंट रूल इथे अप्लाय केलेला आहे. Okay. Now the problem number 12. This is the biggest one. First function बघा इथे log, then okay, tan of x cube into sin of x raised to 4 into x square plus 7 bracket raised to 7. Though it is the biggest, we will apply the one more rule, that is a log of m into n into x 1 2 3. That is nothing but the log of m plus log of n plus log of x. Similar here, y is equals to log of tan x cube plus sin x raised to 4. Sorry, y is equals to log of tan x raised to 3 into sin of x raised to 4 into x square plus 7 bracket raised to 7. Okay. आता इथे काय तो लॉग रूल इथे अप्लाय करणार, that is the m into n into x. Okay. Therefore log of tan of x raised to 3 plus log of sin of x raised to 4 plus log of x square plus 7 bracket raised to 7. Okay. Again one more rule, log of m raised to n can be written as n times log of m. Okay. Similarly here, 3 times log of tan x, 4 times log of sin x, 7 times log of x square plus 7. Now differentiate this with respect to x. ddx of 3 times log of tan x plus 4 times log of sin x plus 7 times log of x square plus 7. Now we'll find out these 3 is a constant. ddx of log of tan x means what? 1 upon tan x into ddx of tan x is a x square x. आणि म्हणून हा टर्म इथे पूर्ण होतो बघा. 3 into 1 upon tan, derivative of tan x is a x square x. This is a total complete here. Next part, 4 times ddx of log of sin x is a 4 into derivative of log of sin x is a 1 upon sin x into derivative of sin x is a cos x. And here, hence here 4 into 1 upon sin x, derivative of sin x is a cos x plus 7 into 1 upon x square plus 7, derivative of x square is a 2x, derivative of 7 is 0. Hence, the next is a, here is a 3. 1 upon 10 means what? Cot. Cot means what? Cos upon sine. Into sec square x means what? 1 upon cos square x. Simplification. Plus 4 cos x upon sin x, that is a cot x. Plus 7 into 2x means what? 14x upon x square plus 7. And what about the next? I think like cos get cancelled, and then you will get काय म्हणणार तुम्हाला इथे? That is a 3 sin x into cos x. Okay, this is the first one. Second 4 cot x, and third is a 14x upon x square plus 7. आता इथे किती adjust करणार? The 2 adjust करणार. Multiplied n and d by 2. Okay. Now 2 sin x into cos x, that will become sin of 2x. And 2 into 3, it's a 6. Therefore 6 2 sin of x into cos x, and that will be the 6 upon sin 2x. 4 cot x as it is, 14x upon x square plus 7 as it is, and hence the answer, that is the dy by dx is equals to 6 upon sin 2x. The reciprocal of sin is a cosec 2x, and hence dy by dx is equals to 6 cosec 2x plus cot plus 4 cot x plus 14x upon x square plus 7, and in this way we have the answer. पुन्हा तुम्ही ते बघू शकताय. Normal आहे. Log of m into n into x means what? Log of m plus log of n plus log x. पुन्हा हा रूल तिथे वापरलेला आहे. Log of m raised to n means what? N times log of m. Normal differentiation. Okay. Now the next problem number 13. Y is equals to log of in root of 1 minus cos of 3x upon 1 plus cos of 3x. Now there is one more result. 1 minus cos of theta is equals to 2 sin square theta by 2. And what about the 1 plus cos theta? 1 plus cos theta is equals to 2 cos square theta by 2. Similarly here, 1 minus cos of 3x means what? 2 sin square 3x upon 2. 1 plus cos of 3x means what? 2 cos square 3x upon 2. This 2 will get cancelled. Sin square 3x upon 2 upon cos square 3x upon 2. Then you will get tan square 3x upon 2. Square and root get cancelled. You will get tan of 3x upon 2. And hence, you have y is equals to log of tan of 3x upon 2. Now it's a derivative. That the dy by dx is equals to ddx of log of tan of 3x upon 2. Then you will get 1 upon tan of 3x upon 2 into ddx of tan of 3x upon 2, because it is a composite. Whatever the derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Similarly here 1 upon tan of 3x into ddx of tan of 3x upon 2. Okay. 1 upon tan of 3x upon 2. Derivative of tan of 3x upon 2 is a sec square 3x upon 2 into ddx of 3x upon 2. 3x upon 2 is a derivative. Derivative of x is 1. Then you will get 3 by 2 into 1. Okay. This tan of 3x upon 2 means what? It's a cot of 3x upon 2. 1 upon tan of 3x upon 2 means काय? The cot of 3x upon 2. Cot means what? Cos of 3x upon 2 upon sin of 3x upon 2 into sec square 3x upon 2 means what? 1 upon cos square 3x upon 2 into this is the 3 by 2. Again, हा इथला एक cos काय होणार तर त्यातला कट होणार. Cos square 3x upon cos x 3x upon 2 into 1 upon cos square 3x upon 2. One cos will get cancelled, and then you will get single cos, which is this cos of 3x upon 2. Sin of 3x upon 2, it is as it is, and this is 2, it is here, and hence this 3, it is here. That is a 3 into 1 upon 2 sin of 3x upon 2 into cos of 3x upon 2. Again, 2 times sin theta into cos theta is nothing but sin of 2 times theta. That is a 2 into 3x upon 2, that 2 will get cancelled, and then you will get sin of 3x. That is a 3 into 1 upon sin of 3x means what? It is a cosec 3x, and hence dy by dx is equals to 3 times cosec 3x. Okay. पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकता. Okay. Now the next problem. Y is equals to log of in root of 1 plus cos of 5x upon 2 upon 1 minus cos of 5x upon 2. 1 plus cos of theta. Again 2 cos square 5x upon 2 means what? 5x upon 4. 2 sin square 5x upon 4. These 2 get cancelled. Cos square 5x upon 4, sin square 5x upon 4. That will become cot square 5x upon 4, and there is a root sign. Square and root sign get cancelled. Then you will get y is equals to log of cot of 5x upon 4. Again it's a derivative. What is the derivative of log of x? Is 1 upon x. Similarly here, the ddx of log of cot of 5x upon 4 is 1 upon cot of 5x upon 4 into ddx of cot of 5x upon 4. What's the derivative of cot x? Minus cosec square x. Similarly here, it's a minus cosec square 5x upon 4. But here again it is a composite with 5x upon 4, and hence into ddx of 5x upon 4. 5x upon 4 is a constant, and hence the derivative of x is 1. Now next simplification is the biggest simplification. 1 upon cot of 5x upon 4 means what? Tan of 5x upon 4. And tan means what? Sin of 5x upon 4 upon cos of 5x upon 4 into cosec square 5x upon 4 means what? 1 upon sin square 5x upon 4 into, it's a derivative. Derivative of x is 1, 5 by 4. Okay. पुढे अजून simplification. This is a sin of 5x upon 4. Here is a sin square 5x upon 4. मग एक त्यातला sin काय होणार तर कट होणार. And therefore here is a 4, 4, 5, 5, minus sign. Okay. Minus 5, 4, sin of 5x upon 4 into cos of 5x upon 4. Now again this can be written as, see this here, a 4 into sin of, in bracket, 5x upon 4 into cos of 5x upon 4. This can be written as 2 in bracket 2 sin of 5x upon 4 into cos of 5x upon 4. Okay, and this is nothing but 2 times sin of 2 into 5x upon 4. 2 into 5x upon 4. Then you will get 5x upon 2. Okay, and this is the 2 sin of 5x upon 2. Now what about the reciprocal of sin of 5x upon 2? It's a cosec 5 upon 2, and hence it is a minus 5 by these 2 into cosec 5x upon 2 in this way, and this is the answer. पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकता. Same type of problem इथे. Now the next, y is equals to log of in root of 1 minus sin x upon 1 plus sin x. आता इथे काय तर डिनोमिनेटरच्या कॉन्जुगेटने मल्टिप्लाय करणार, which is 1 minus sin x. Okay, therefore multiplied n and dy 1 minus sin x. Here you will get 1 minus sin x bracket square. What about here? 1 minus sin x, 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x. Then you will get a plus b into a minus b. Then you will get a square minus b square. 1 minus sin x bracket square. इथे root sign है. 1 minus sin square x means what? Cos square x. Root sign and this square get cancelled. Then you will get log of 1 minus sin x upon cos x. Separate this. Log of 1 upon cos x minus sin x upon cos x. 1 upon cos means what? Sec. Sin x upon cos means what? Tan. Tan. And hence you have here y. Now differentiate this with respect to x. dy by dx is equals to ddx of log of sec x minus tan x. What's its a derivative? What is the derivative of log of x? Is 1 upon x. Similarly here, 1 upon sec x minus tan x into ddx of, it's a composite with the sec x minus tan x into ddx of sec x minus tan x. What about the derivative of sec x? Sec x into tan x. Derivative of tan x is a sec square x. Again here from this here, we will take the minus sec x as a common. Minus sec x here. Then in bracket you will get sec x minus tan x. Denominator ला पण काय sec x minus tan x. That's why we are taking minus sec x common. If you take minus sec x common, मग या टर्मला मायनस साइन इथे मिळेल. यातला सेक गेला म्हणजे टॅन राहिला आणि इथे sec x. Sec x minus tan x, sec x minus tan x get cancelled, and hence you will get dy by dx is equals to minus sec x. and hence the answer. Okay, this is the problem number 15. बघू शकताय तुम्ही. Okay, now the problem number 16. Y is equals to log of in bracket 4 is to 2x into x square plus 5 upon in root of 2x cube minus 4 and whole bracket is to 3 by 2. Okay, again here log of, इथे first formula काय apply करणार आहे, log of m into n, then you have log of m plus log of n. Okay, therefore here log of 4 is to 2x plus log of x square plus 5 upon in root of 2x cube minus 4 raised to 3 by 2. Next, log of, what is here, a raised to b means what, b times here log of a. Okay, and therefore 3 by 2 log of x square plus 5 upon in root of 2x cube minus 4. Puna log of m upon log of n, which is again rule log of m upon n means what, log of m minus log of n. Okay, therefore 3 by 2 log of x square plus 5 minus log of 2x cube minus 4, root sign means what, raised to 1 upon 2. Okay, again 2x log of 4, 3 by 2 log of x square plus 5 minus 1 upon 2 log of 2x cube minus 4. Okay, and hence 2x log of 4, 3 by 2 into log of x square plus 5. आता 3 by 2 ने याला मल्टिप्लाय करणार 1 upon 2 ला, then it will become minus 3 by 4 log of 2x cube minus 4. Now differentiate this. हे सगळं simplified झालं. Okay, we have given this and we have totally simplified it. Now the derivative of 2x, 4x, log of 4 is a constant. Therefore ddx of 2x log of 4 plus 3 by 2 log of x square plus 5 minus 3 by 4 log of 2x cube minus 4. Okay, now 2 log of 4 is a constant. Derivative of x is 1. That is the 2 log of 4 into 1 plus 3 by 2 as it is. Log of x square plus 5. याचा derivative काय येणार? 1 upon x square plus 5. Again it is a composite with x square plus 5. Hence derivative of x square plus 5. ddx of x square plus 5. What is the derivative of x square plus 5? Is a 2x. Derivative of 5 is 0. And hence the first part here is a 4 here. Next, 3 by 4 log of ddx of log of 2x cube minus 4. Again the derivative of log of x is 1 upon x. Similarly 1 upon 2x cube minus 4 into, again it is a composite with 2x cube minus 4. And hence the ddx of 2x cube minus 4 is a 6x square, that is a 2 into derivative of x cube is a 3x square, derivative of 4 is 0. 2 into 3x square, it's a 6x square. Okay, 6, okay, 6x square into 3, okay, and that will become 18, 18x square upon 4, and after simplification you will get 9x square upon 2 into 3x cube minus 4. Okay, पुन्हा इथे बघा 2 log of 4 as it is. आता पुन्हा हे simplification इथे केलेलं आहे. This 2 will get cancelled. You will get 3x upon x square plus 5 minus, हे न्यूमरेटरला किती येतील 18x square and denominatorला किती आहे 4 in bracket 2x cube minus 4. After simplification you will get 9x square upon 2 in bracket 2x cube minus 4 and hence this is the answer. Okay, पुन्हा तुम्ही ते बघू शकताय. सर्व रूल लॉगचे रूल्स इथे वापरलेले आहेत. Okay, now the next problem. Y is equals to log of e raised to x square into 5 minus 4x raised to 3 by 2 upon cubic root of 7 minus 6x. Now first of all, काय इथे the first याला e raised to x square we will treat as this is the m, and next term which is that with the green ink, see this here, this all, and this is the n. Means what? M into n. Then you will get log of e raised to x square first plus log of 5 minus 4x bracket raised to 3 by 2 upon cubic root of 7 minus 3x. Okay. Now what about the e raised to x square? Log of e raised to x square means what? X square. Again, using the rule, here is the base as e, therefore its value is a x square. Okay, we can write here log of e. Okay, and then e raised to, here is a m, then its value is a m log of e to the base e, its value is a 1. Therefore, m into 1 and overall that is equals to m. This is x square. Next, log of m upon n means what? You will get here log of 5 minus 4x raised to 3 by 2 minus log of cubic root of means what? 7 minus 6x raised to 1 by 3. पुन्हा 3 by 2 इथे पुढे येणार log of 5 minus 4x. Next 1 by 3 पुढे येणार log of 7 minus 6x in this way. आता पूर्ण simplified झालं हे सगळं expression. First we apply the rules of logarithm. Simplify झाला. Now we'll differentiate with respect to x. ddx of x square plus 3 by 2 log of 5 minus 4x minus 1 by 3 log of 7 minus 3x. What about the derivative of x square? Is a 2x. ddx of log of 5 minus 4x is a 1 upon 5 minus 4x into ddx of 5 minus 4x because it is a composite with 5 minus 4x minus 1 by 3 log of ddx of log of 7 minus 6 is 1 upon 7 minus 6x into ddx of 7 minus 6x. Okay. Now we are 2x plus 3 into 1, that is a 3, 2 into 5 minus 4x into derivative of 5 is 0, minus 4x is a minus 4. Okay. Next, minus 1 by 3, 1 upon 7 minus 6x, derivative of 7 is 0, minus 6x is a minus 6. Okay. Put a simplification, 2x is as it is. Okay. 2 into, 3 upon 2 in bracket 5 minus 4x into 4. इथे simplification करणार. त्यातला 2 राहणार. 2 into 3, that will become 6, but it is a minus sign. Okay. हा 2 इथे cut होणार. 2 1s and 2 2s 4. 2 into 3, that's 6, and it has a minus sign. That is a minus 6 upon 5 minus 4x plus. This minus and minus again that will become plus. And 3 1s 3 2s 6. Therefore, it will be the 2 upon 7 minus 6x. And hence the answer. dy by dx is equals to 2x minus 6 upon 5 minus 4x plus 2 upon 7 minus 6x. Again, you can see this here. पुन्हा तुम्ही बघू शकताय. या सर्व प्रॉब्लेमची भरपूर प्रॅक्टिस केली तरच तुम्हाला ते जमू शकेल. नेक्स्ट, y is equals to log of a raised to cos x upon x square minus 3 bracket raised to 3 into log x. आता पुन्हा इथे बघा. What type of here? y is equals to log of in bracket m upon, or instead of m, take here as a upon b into c. Then what you will get? Log of a minus log of bc. Okay. Next, log of a minus. आता याला मल्टिप्लिकेशनचा रूल इथे अप्लाय करणार. Log of b into c means what? In bracket log of b plus log of c. Open the bracket. Then you will get log of a minus log of b minus log of c. Similarly here, log of first quantity, log of a raised to cos x minus log of x square minus 3 bracket raised to 3 minus log of log x. Okay, minus log of x means what? Log of c. But what is c here? Log x. Therefore, minus log of x. Okay, next, again, log of a raised to cos x means what? Log of m raised to n can be written as n times log of m. Okay, cos of x into log a minus 3 log of x square minus 3 minus log of x. Now differentiate this with respect to x. Log of a is a constant. ddx of cos x into log a minus 3 log of x square minus 3 minus log of x. Okay, ddx of cos of x only because log of a is a constant minus 3 ddx of log of x square minus 3 minus ddx of log x. What is the derivative of cos x? Is a minus sign. Minus 3. What about the derivative of log of x square minus 3? 1 upon x square minus 3 into ddx of x square minus 3. The derivative of x square is a 2x, derivative of 3 is a 0. Okay, itparanta clear. Minus, what about the derivative of log x? Log of x is a derivative 1 upon x. Similarly here, the derivative of log x is the 1 upon log x into ddx of log x, which is the 1 upon x. Okay, and hence the term dy by dx is equals to minus sin x into log a as it is. Next simplification, 3 into 2x means what? It is a 6x upon x square minus 3. Next simplification, 1 upon x into log x, and hence the answer. पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकताय. Now the next problem number 19. Y is equals to 25 raised to log of sec x to the base 5 minus 16 raised to log of tan x to the base 4. Okay. Now this 25 can be written as 5 raised to 2 log of sec x to the base 5 minus 16 can be written as 4 raised to 2 log of tan x to the base 4. And hence, again the rule, that is, this will become sec square. Again the rules of logarithm, which is that rule, log of m into log of n means what? Log of n raised to m. Similarly here, that is a sec square x log of sec square x to the base 5, that is a 4 raised to log of tan square x to the base 4. Again by using the rules of logarithm, that is a raised to log of x to the base x is x. Similarly here we have sec square x and here is a tan square x, and its identity, that is a 1 plus tan square x is equals to sec square x, and hence sec square x minus tan square x, that is equals to 1. Now differentiate this with respect to x, and hence the derivative of 1 is a 0. It's a constant, and hence dy by dx is equals to 0. Okay, पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकताय. Okay, now the problem number 20. Y is equals to, in bracket, x square plus 2 bracket is to 4 upon root of x square plus 5. Now here again the quotient rule. Here is a u upon v. Therefore v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v upon v square. Okay. Therefore root of x square plus 5 as it is. Derivative of x square plus 2 bracket is to 4. Now powers are derivative करणार. 4 times in bracket x square plus 2 bracket is to 3 into ddx of this composite one. That is the ddx of x square plus 2. What's the derivative of x square plus 2? It is a 2x, and derivative of 2 is a 0. अब पहला पार्ट इथे संपला. Minus x square plus 2 raised to 4 into ddx of root of x square plus 5. What about the derivative of root x? Is a 1 upon 2 times root x. Similarly here, 1 upon 2 times in root of x square plus 5. पुन्हा तो composite it with x square plus 5, and hence ddx of x square plus 5. What about the derivative of x square? Is a 2x. Derivative of 5 is a 0. Okay. आता पुढचं simplification. In root of x square plus 5, 4 into x square plus 2 raised to 3 into 2x. minus x square plus 2 raised to 4 upon 2 in root of x square plus 5 into 2x. हा 2 इथे कॅन्सल होणार तो. आता पुढे सिम्प्लिफिकेशन मध्ये बघा. If we multiply this root of x square plus 5 with this root of x square plus 5, then what you will get? X square plus 5, okay, x square plus 5 raised to 1. हा रूट आणि रूट हे जर आपण इथे मल्टिप्लाय केलं, or I will write here one more step. See this here, this step. Root of 4 into in root of x square plus 5 into x square plus 2 bracket is to 3 minus. Next, this 2 will get cancelled. You will get x into x square plus 2 bracket is to 4 upon in root of x square plus 5. आता root of x square plus 5, root of x square plus 5 ला multiplied केलं, then root will get cancelled. You will get x square plus 5 raised to 1. Okay, this is the first one. And hence, we have here the term x square plus 5. Next, 4 into 2. Then you will get 8x. First term here. X square plus 5. What about the x square plus 2 bracket is to 3? This term is as it is. पुढे ते simplification केले. X square plus 2 raised to 4. And here is a x. X into x square plus 2 raised to 4. Upon x square plus 5 into root of x square plus 5. This याची power 1 असणार आहे आणि याची half. Then it will make 3/2. म्हणजे हे कसं simplification आहे. Suppose that here is a plus b upon c upon d. Then a into c. Okay, ac plus b upon dc. Similarly, okay, and hence 8x into in bracket x square plus 5 into x square plus 2 raised to 3 minus x square plus 2 raised to 4. आता या दोन्ही टर्म्स मधनं what is the common? x square plus 2 bracket is to 3. This is the minimum. इथे 4th power आहे. मग minimum कुठला आहे? तर 3 आहे. Therefore we take x square plus 2 raised to 3 as a common. इथे x आहे, इथे x आहे. That take as a common. That is a x into x square plus 2 raised to 3. आता काय कोणकोणत्या टर्म्स राहणार इथे? 8 राहणार इथे. x square plus 5 minus next x square plus 2 bracket. Next simplification, x into x square plus 2 raised to 3. पुढे simplification, 8 into x square, 8x square, 8 into 5, you will get 40, minus x square, minus 2. Okay. आता पुढे x into x square plus 2 raised to 3 as it is. 8x square minus x square, you will get 7x square. 40 minus 2, you will get 38 upon x square plus 5 raised to 3/2. Okay. And keep it as it is. And hence, in this way, we have completed the important question. That is a question number 1 and question number 2. आता question number 3 हा या टाइपचे क्वेश्चन जनरली बोर्डाच्या परीक्षेमध्ये विचारले जात नाही. क्वेश्चन नंबर या पुढच्या क्वेश्चन्स पासून, बट विल सॉल्व दिस टाइप ऑफ द क्वेश्चन्स ऑल्सो. या टाइपचे क्वेश्चन्स बोर्डच्या एक्झाम मध्ये काही विचारत नाही, परंतु तरी देखील तुम्ही अभ्यास करू शकता. इथे टेबल दिलाय बघा. The values of x is a 2, 4 and 6. The values of f of x when x is equals to 2 is 1. Value of f of x when x is equals to 4 is 3. Value of f of x when x is equals to 6 is 5. Then the g of x function. Value of g of x when x is equals to 2 is a 6. Value of g of x when x is equals to 4 is 4. Value of g of x when x is equals to 6 is 2. In this way, f dash of x and g dash of x. Now first problem. See this here. If r of x is equals to f of g of x. Find r dash of 2. Okay. आता r of x is equals to f of g of x. We want to find out r dash of 2. म्हणजे याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह फाइंड आउट करणार. That is the r dash of x means what? ddx of f of g of x. आता f of g of x, it's a composite function आहे. मग फर्स्ट काय करणार? आपण f चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह फाइंड आउट करतो. f आपल्याला माहिती आहे का? नाही. g माहिती आहे का? नाही माहिती. Therefore, its a derivative is a f dash of g of x. पुन्हा आपण आतल्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह फाइंड आउट करतो. मीन्स ddx of g of x. What's the derivative of g of x? Is a g dash of x. Okay. Now we want to find out the r dash of 2. See this here. R dash. आपण हा derivative find out केला बघा. R dash of x is equals to f dash of g of x into g dash of x. R dash of 2. It means that here we are replacing x by 2. Means what? F dash of g of 2 into g dash of 2. R dash of 2 means what? F dash of g of 2 into g dash of 2. Now we'll substitute the value. First value बघा. What's the value of g of 2? g of 2 ची value कशी शोधायची? Here is a 2. X is 2. G of 2 is a 6. Therefore it is a, here is a 6. F dash of 6. G dash of 2 ची value. Okay. G dash of 2 is as it is. Find out the value of f dash of 6 and g dash of 2. आता इथे f dash आहे. f dash of काय पाहिजे आपल्याला? 6 पाहिजे. The value of f dash of 6 is a -4. Here is a -4. G dash of 2. Here is a g dash of 2. G dash of 2 is a 4. Here is a 4. -4 into +4. That is a 16. Hence, r dash of 2 is a -16. Okay. What was the function? पुन्हा एकदा बघा. R of x is equals to f of g of x. R dash of x is equals to f dash of g of x into त्यातला आतलाचा derivative. Replace the x by 2. Find out the value of g of 2. G of 2 is a 6. Means what? F dash of 6 into g dash of 2. Where is f dash of 6? कुठे बघा? F dash of 6 पाहिजे आपल्याला. इथे x च्या व्हॅल्यूज. F dash of 6. Here is a 6. F dash of 6 is -4. G dash of 2. इथे 2 आहे बघा. 2. G dash of 2 is a 4. And their multiplication. Next problem. If r of x is equals to, in bracket, g of 2 plus f of x, then find f dash of, sorry, r dash of 4. Okay. Now see this function. R of x is equals to g of 3 plus f of x. त्याचा derivative पाहिजे आपल्याला at x is equals to 4. First we will find out its a derivative. R dash of x means what? ddx of g of 3 plus f of x. As a derivative. Its a derivative is a g dash of 3 plus f of x as it is. Okay. आपण काय करतो? आधी या g चा derivative काढतो g dash. नंतर त्याच्या आतल्याचा derivative. That is a ddx of 3 plus f of x. Derivative of 3 is 0. F of x काय येणार? F dash of x. Okay. And hence we have the answer. That is a g dash of 3 plus f of x into here f dash पाहिजे इथे. Okay. Now substitute the values. आता काय बघा इथे? आपल्याला कुठे काय सांगितलं त्याने? r dash of 4 means what? Replace this x by 4. Therefore r dash of 4 is equals to g of 3 plus f of 4 into f dash of 4. Now substitute the value. What is the f of 4? पुन्हा f of 4 ची value. This is f of x. X is 4. F of 4 is 3. Therefore f of 4 is a 3 here. 3 plus 3, that is a 6. Therefore it is a g dash of 6. Next, f dash of 4. Here is f dash of 4. Okay. What is f dash of 4? F dash of 4 पाहिजे आपल्याला. F dash of 4 is a 5. F dash of 4 is a 5. F dash किती पाहिजे? 4 पाहिजे. It's a 5. And hence it is a 7 into 5, that is equals to 35. And hence r dash of 4 is a 35. Okay. पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकताय. Next problem. If s of x is equals to f of 9 minus f of x, then find s dash of 4. म्हणजे x ची व्हॅल्यू काय असणार? तर 4 असणार आहे. Similarly here, s of x is equals to f of 9 minus f of x. Therefore s dash of x is equals to ddx of f of 9 minus f of x. पुन्हा त्या फंक्शनचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. f dash of 9 minus f of x into ddx of 9 minus f of x. Derivative of 9 is 0, which is constant. Derivative of f of x is f dash of x, and hence s dash of x is equals to minus, हे minus sign पुढे घेतलेले, minus f dash of 9 minus f of x into f dash of x. Now replace the value x by 4. Okay. Therefore s dash of 4 is equals to minus f of 9, x is replaced by 4 into f dash of 4. Okay. पुन्हा इथे बघा, minus f dash 9 minus f of 4. Now what is the value of f of 4? X is 4. F of 4 is a 3. F of 4 is a 3. F dash of 4. F dash of 4 is a 5. F dash of 4 is a 5. Okay. f dash of 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 is a 6. F dash of 6 into f dash of 4. F dash of 6. F dash of 6 is minus 4. Here is minus sign. F dash of 4. F dash of 4. F dash of 4 is a 5. F dash of 4. F dash of 4 is a 5. 5. Minus and minus, that will become plus 4 into 5, and that is a 20. And hence S dash of 4 is a 20. Okay. पुन्हा तुम्ही बघू शकता टेबलातनं कशा व्हॅल्यूज फाइंड आउट करायच्या मी सांगितले. सपोज यू वॉन्ट टू फाइंड आउट g dash of 6 म्हणजे x is 6, g dash of 6 is 7 in this way. Okay. Next, if sx is equals to g of x, then find s dash of 6. Okay. आता s dash of 6, therefore s of x is equals to g of x. S dash of x is equals to ddx of g of x. Means what? मग त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. What is that? It's a g dash of, हा g एक्स्ट्रा झाला इथे, g dash of g of x into ddx of g of x. What about the ddx of g of x? ddx of g of x is a g dash of x. Okay. That is a g dash of g of x into g dash of x. Therefore, s dash of x is equals to, okay, it is repeated, g dash of g of x into g dash of x. Now we want to find out s dash of 6. आपल्याला त्याची व्हॅल्यू पाहिजे. s dash of 6 is equals to g dash of g of x means what? G of 6 into g dash of 6. Now substitute the value. What is the g of 6? आता बघा, g of 6 पाहिजे. g of 6 is 2. The value of g of 6 is 2. Means what? G dash of 2. आता g dash of 2 पाहिजे आपल्याला. g dash कुठे ते इथे, g dash of 2. g dash of 2 is a 4. g dash of 6 पाहिजे मला. g dash of 6. g dash of 6 is a 7. Therefore 4 into 7, that is equals to 28. Okay. Now the next. Assume that f dash of 3 is a minus 1. G dash of 2 is a 5. G dash of 2 is 5. G of 2 is 3. And y is equals to f of g of x. Then find dy by dx at x is equals to 2. Okay. Now see this here. Y is equals to f of g of x. It's a derivative. dy by dx is equals to ddx of f of g of x. मग त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह किती येणार? f dash of g of x into ddx of g of x. आता g of x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय? तर g dash of x. Okay. Next, at x is equals to 2. Replace this x by 2. f dash of g of 2 into g dash of 2. तर व्हॅल्यू सबस्टिट्यूट करणार. What is the g of 2? g of 2 ची व्हॅल्यू दिली आपल्याला त्याने. It is a 3. g of 2 is a 3. Means what? f dash of 3 आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचे. g dash of 2. Here is a g dash of 2. f dash of 3 इथे बघा. f dash of 3 is a minus 1. Therefore it is a minus 1. g dash of 2. g dash of 2 is a 5. It is a 5. Minus 1 into 5, you will get minus 5. And hence it is answer. पुन्हा तुम्ही बघू शकताय. Okay. Now the next problem number 6. If h of x is equals to in root of 4 times f of x plus 3 times g of x. f of 1 is 4, g of 1 is 3, f dash of 1 is 3, g dash of 1 is 4. Then find h dash of 1. Okay. These are the given value. h of x is equals to, it's a derivative. h dash of x is equals to ddx of in root of 4 times f of x plus 3 times g of x. पुन्हा root x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह किती? तर 1 upon 2 times root x. तेच प्रिन्सिपल इथे अप्लाय करणार. 1 upon 2 times in root of 4 f of x plus 3 g of x into ddx of 4 f of x plus 3 times g of x. Okay. पुढे गेलो आपण इथे. 1 upon 2 in root of 4 times f of x plus 3 times g of x. याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 4 कॉन्स्टंट आहे. त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह किती? 4 times f dash of x. g 3 कॉन्स्टंट आहे. 3 times g dash of x. Okay. This is the h dash of x. Okay. आता आपल्याला कुठली व्हॅल्यू पाहिजे? h dash of 1. Here is a 1. Means what? Replace x by 1. x is replaced by 1. Therefore 1 upon 2 in root of f of x means what? f of 1. 3 times g of x means what? 3 times g of 1. 4 times f dash of x means what? 4 times f dash of 1. Plus 3 times g dash of 1. Now replace the value. आता value replace करणार. What about the f dash of 1? F dash of 1 is 3. Here is a 3. 4 into 3. G dash of 1. ते किती असणार आहे? 4. G dash of 1 is a 4. G dash of 1 is 4. Upon f of 1. F of 1 बघायचा 4 आहे. F of 1 is a 4. Next G of 1. See this here, G of 1 is 3. Okay. The multiplication करणार. Then you will get 1 upon 2. 4 into 4, 16 plus 9, 25. And what about that? 4 into 3, 12. And this is also 12. Okay. 12 plus 12, 24. That is a 1 upon 2 root of 25 into 24. And then you will get 1 upon 2 into 5 into 24. And then you will get a lowest करणार. That is a 12 upon 5. And hence h dash of 1 पाहिजे ते. H dash of 1 is equals to 12 upon 5 in this way. Okay. Now the next. And in this way, I had completed up to the question number 6. If anyone required the question number 7 and 8, I will explain in my another video. Okay. And in this way, we have completed the exercise 1.1. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.